You're very welcome back to Unstable TV. So a special thing has happened, which is always fun over here. Danielle is going to run us through just exactly what happened.
So this is officially our first unboxing of 2026. Ooh!
2026.
Maths.
I'm trying to draw it on the screen. I can't. So we got a bit excited trying to hang on because we've been waiting for this package to come a while. So yeah, we opened it a bit first.
But that's okay, we have it now.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna unbox it now and see what it is. So this is a sports bag from a brand called Waterfly in the US. We'll talk you through everything while we open it and see what it's like.
We're going to try and test it and see if it actually is waterproof. So we're going to give it that test as well, because we like to make sure our viewers leave with some type of knowledge.
And we're going to leave all the links for Waterfly in the description. So at the end of this video, if you like what you see, you know what to do. Go right to the description, click on the links, and there you go.
Right, let's have an unboxing. Danielle, open that up and let's see exactly what we were sent out.
There's the bag, and that's it.
Yep. Thanks for joining us.
Ooh. What is this?
So at first glance, it looks like a Medipack. That's what I'd say. But it actually looks very convenient and packaged, to be honest. So it looks like it's going to be easy to carry around, and then when you're not using it, you have this little thing to put away. It's very compact, so that's always good.
So you can take it anywhere around the world, all you want, and it's great for traveling.
So Danielle, open up.
Ooh. Magic. About Us sticker. Founded in 2013, Waterfly is the leading small sports bag brand in the US, and it's ranked 6th globally, which is absolutely amazing. And it was voted consumers' favourite waist bag brand in 2023 on USA Today Awards. That's pretty cool, actually.
That's very impressive.
We have really cool organisations here as well that they support. So, One Tree Planted, the American Hiking Association, American Outdoors Association, and the Outdoor Industry, which is actually really good. So this is also helping plant trees for the planet and keep people fit and active, which is amazing. So James is going to expertly open the bag.
Yeah. There you go. Oh, it's a bag within a bag. It's bagception. Wow. Oh. That's actually... That's really well. Alright, that's really cool. Oh my god, is this like one of these sash bags?
Oh look, you have a little phone case as well for your phone.
It is.
This is James's favourite type of bag.
That's very good material. Look at all that. Plenty of compartments in here. Wow. There was a pocket there, and then another one under here.
That's very spacious, actually.
Yeah, like, and then there's one on the front down here. Hold on, that's a lot of pockets.
So many pockets.
All right, that's a pretty cool bag. That's the material.
Here's the bag itself.
Yeah.
Very durable.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yep. Very strong. Something for your phone or a little flashlight or torch. More pockets, which is wow. And what's cool about it is it folds back into itself for easy, compact to put away. I'm not going to do it because I can't do it right.
I'll try to do it, but we will do a few overhead shots now so you can see the bag. You can see how durable it is. There's so many different compartments for all your stuff when you're doing all your outdoor activities, which is amazing. Compartments for your bottles, compartments for torches, compartments for phones, compartments for I don't know what else you need. Whatever else you're bringing with you, it's amazing.
Just doing a quick waterproof test to see if it checks out. Nice, it does.
So that was a review. We hope our tests and shots were up to scratch for your consumer needs.
There's the logo right there.
Nice.
Nice logo as well.
Yeah.
I like it.
I like it, Picasso.
So yeah, I think this bag is going to be amazing and it's really going to help us, especially on our travels that we're doing now. So if you're doing traveling, compact bag. Easy to fit in the suitcase as well. Fabulous.
And we have been traveling, so this is going to help us because we carry a lot of compact mobile equipment with us, and yes, there are storms in Australia, and yes, we need waterproof stuff.
Absolutely. So this will 100% help. Like we said, if any of you guys like this fabulous bag or you want to check out the rest of Waterfly stuff, check everything in the description below. We'll have all our socials, our websites, everything will be there so you can check Waterfly out, go buy your own amazing products and have a great time with them. Hey.
Thanks so much again to Waterfly for sending this out. We are excited and ecstatic to use this on our travels. This will certainly protect not only our clothing items, but our most important items such as memory cards, hard drives and camera equipment.
So yeah, excited to start using it. Ooh.
So that has been our 2 cents. Look out for this in some of our shorts and vlogs upcoming.
And we will chop ourselves out of this.